How to uninstall Microsoft Teams from your Windows computer. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can uninstall Microsoft Teams from your Windows PC. So to uninstall Microsoft Teams, there are different methods. The most easiest is to use the default Windows settings. So to do that, first open the Windows settings. You can go to the search bar and simply search for settings. Now, once you are inside your settings, you will see the following interface like this. Now from here, go to this apps tab right here, and within the apps tab, you can click onto the installed apps. Now this will show you the list of all the apps that have been currently installed in my computer. Now from here, you need to find Microsoft Teams, or alternatively, you can also search for Teams like this. Now once you have found the Microsoft Teams, you can simply click onto these three dots that appear here, and it will show you a menu in which you can see the uninstall option. Click onto this uninstall option, and this gives you a confirmation that this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, click onto this uninstall button, and you can see that the uninstallation process has begun. Just wait for the uninstallation process to finish, and once the uninstallation process has been finished, you will see this uninstalled message, and the Microsoft Teams will be removed from your Windows computer. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.